Today I will show you some tutorial how to do a data entry and data analysis using SPSS files. So the first tutorial will be the way how to do a data entry like this one. From your questionnaires to here, and all your questions will be inserted to this part, and we call it a variable view. The next one is data view. Data view is where you insert your data from respondents' answer. Next, we go to the data entry for 5 examples. First, we are going to defining a variable. So here the question should be inserted. But before that, we need to know the each part of columns. So here we have name, types, width, and etc. But column for missing, aligns, column, and row, no need to use. Next, on the names of columns, naming a variables or coding these questions. Next is we choose numeric. You can either click on numeric or string because generally text-based characters are string type and number are of numeric type. For label, allows you to describe what the variable stands for or is simply for questions. In values label, identify the value labels. This will help with the interpretation of data results. Next is measure. Measure also important for future analysis because SPSS will not perform an analysis on a nominal variable when the right analysis is designed for scale, interval, or ratio level of measurement. Next questions will be the same steps from the previous one. In this video, is same steps to do data entry, but just a different types of questions. So the first step is the same. We are going to naming a variable according to questions. And just follow the step from the previous one. For dichotomous questions, you only have to answer either true or false or yes or no. But then, the way you insert your data is still same. And we are going to naming the variable first or coding the questions. And we are going to follow all the same step from the previous one. For sure, the columns of value, you have just two answers like this, either yes or no, or true or false. Questions for multiple choice a little bit different because respondent can answer more than one or even two. As we can see here, I insert two different coding for same questions because the reason why is respondent answer most for two options. But then you still need to insert the all answer in values columns. The last one is Likert scale. For Likert scale questions, there are same way to do a data entry. The difference just only on values. All the scale answer that you put need to insert on value in the same composition on questions. Go to Analyze, scroll down and click on Descriptive Statistic, then choose Frequency. This table is you need to choose any variables to analyze and click on arrow to insert the right table. Then click Statistic. to setting a few data that you want to come out: mean, median, minimum, maximum, and variance. Then click OK. So here, the analysis of household income. They show us the percentage of household income overall. Go to Analyze, scroll down to Descriptive Statistics, then choose Cross Tabs. This table will pop up and choose any variables that you're interested. But a little bit different is Cross Tab have 3 boxes to insert, but only 2 boxes important. And then the simple analysis will come out. Now we go to Analyze again to setting a few settings in cells. So here we can see the new one are come out with the percentage, and it's more easy to you make analysis. And for clear visual, we can do some graph or pie chart. With the same step, go to Analyze, then find Correlation and choose Bivariate. Then you must select any variables to analyze, at least 2 variables. For correlation coefficient and test is automatically ticked. So the table shows the negative relationship between them. To make easy for visual, select graph and then choose scatter or dot as in tutorial. Then you can see clearly relationship between these two questions.